Yes, Massive and crew. There with a man like TDK. And we're on our way to Amsterdam, going to the Bangface gig. Yeah, man, it's gonna be good. Check it out.
That's it! Are we ready?
I lost my European plug, so the first thing I had to do was literally go to the airport and grab a quick Euro plug so that my laptop can be plugged in Amsterdam.
Ah, UK Euro. There you go. That's the exact one. Get a dual one for $8.99. That's me, Dread. Sorted.
Next up, I've got to grab a set of headphones. Got the earbuds, which double up as a nice little earplugs for when you're sleeping after the gig. So I actually picked a nice set of Sony ones, which I got for a decent price, which was about £15, and they were a treat. So the next thing you know, we're sitting in the airport, having a little quick bite to eat, waiting on our flight to board, and the fire alarm goes off, which was quite unusual.
We're at STANSTEAD and the fire alarm has just gone off, which is really creepy.
Fire, they're burning you in the airport down.
But boy, it's kind of mad, man, because I've never been in an airport where the fire alarm's gone off. You're just trying to think, if I smell smoke, yeah, where are we going to go? We come through security, there's no out here, man. We'll just be all getting...
don't worry, I'll find a way out,
all
mate.
toasted, mate. You know what I mean?
I'm missing me, I'm going, yawn.
Saying the fire alarm's gone off, there's a fire and we're just sitting here chilling.
Hey, listen, I just went to buy a drink, man. The queue's longer than what it is to bloody get in through bloody thingy, but where you need your passport. So I tried to buy a drink, I'd missed the plane jet.
I was going to buy some memory stick, 64 gigabyte, right? And they're selling it for £70. That's madness, man. And that's duty free. They're supposed to have no tax on it. So boy,
must be a proper rare something.
Proper rare gold plated. Yeah, but I've got the same one in this camera, and it's 15 quid or something. I paid for it online. So boy, anyway, that's the fire alarm going off. The airport is absolutely packed, and our flight's not boarding yet. What does it say?
Long team.
Your cabin bag, please take your seat.
Save your phone there, look. Amsterdam airport is massive, mate. We've been walking for a long time. We just thought we'd come out the airport and we ain't even getting started yet, we're still going. So, long. This has got to be the longest airport walk ever. Is this your longest airport walk? It seemed long, innit? That was long, that was like a marathon, man. Serious. We ain't even got to passport control yet. There's 16 plus. Are you over 16?
Yeah, me, yeah.
I might not pass for over 16. What do you reckon? You gotta get out of there quick. If you don't get out of there quick, it just locks you back in. Hi, welcome. I'm your taxi driver. When you come to the meeting point, can you text me? Where's that? Oh, shy. The sign's the meeting point, which is up there. Alright, so now, let's do that. Follow the signs to the meeting point. another trek, innit? Okay. But is it though? There's a meeting point, but I don't know if it's pointing to the meeting point or you've got to go underneath it. Let me ask these guys here. Excuse me, sir. Where it says meeting point, does that mean underneath the sign or?
Yeah, the meeting point is the red white cube, you see?
Red white queue over there?
Yeah.
Ah, awesome. Thank you very much. How you doing? Good? Nice one. Yes, yes, yes.
Hi. How you going?
Great.
Yes, you can go to parking.
All right.
What's up to you?
Yes. I had trouble finding the meeting point.
Okay.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, good.
Nice one. Yes, yes, yes.
Hi.
So guys, we are here in the car, ready to go to the hotel.
Yeah.
Start our mission. Looking forward to seeing what's happening in Amsterdam and have some Dan dinner. Elephant car shagging an elephant. Amsterdam is 1 hour forward from the UK, so we've kind of lost an hour of daylight already, which means it's closer to the set. So welcome to our crib. This is our room in the hotel for the time that we're here. As you can see, this is the doorway entrance. And this is the safe where we keep everything safe. In here we have the bathroom. The bathroom. So you've got your shower there. You can go and catch a shower in there. Holla fresh. Holla fresh. And over here, let me bring you over here. We have our TV area. And we have our double bed. Oh no, what happened to, look. The bed. Just see, went to the edge of the bed and it just like tilted over and just dropped, man. What kind of bed is that? Look, it's got some stilts under it. Oh, leave it, huh? It's leaning on that bit there. On the side thing. You gotta get out for it to work. Well, I've got a feeling that if you turn too much in the night,
Yeah, but
you're gonna have a problem.
you get pushed up.
We have our scenery of the Amsterdam. Where are we? We don't know where we are. So now
It's like raining throughout it.
it's starting to rain.
I know it's nice, just dirty windows, Jed.
So now we have no clue how to get to the venue, but we're going to find out. Firstly, we've got to find out how to get to town. Secondly, I believe we are in town. Thirdly, we need to keep the address of the hotel, because if we lose the address of the hotel,
We're gonna be sleeping on the street.
we'll be homeless in Amsterdam. So, right, this is it, peeps. We've got to start figuring things out. Maybe I'm going to holler at my boy Alfredo.
Yo bro, we are walking to the venue, so I'll see you there. Yeah, I tried to call you but no answer, because it's quite far to walk to your hotel. So the best thing is, I think you can take the cab to the venue. For us it will be a small half-an-hour walk. So I just want to walk a bit. See you there, bro.
Oh, Wi-Fi. We didn't ask him about Wi-Fi.
Yeah, man's got to be playing some fruity somethings
We need some.
on his phone somethings. You know what I mean?
We need some Wi-Fi, man. Let me see what's going on. Have we got Wi-Fi in this hotel? My daughter would not like this hotel if it didn't have Wi-Fi. Oh, there you go. Look, we've got Wi-Fi. Oh, right. Let me see if you can get on it. Oh, look, you got Bastion 5 gigahertz. We've got 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, because it means we could potentially do a live stream.
I might have to be inside my brother.
So that is it. UK Apache and Dennis Brown signing off.